Hello everyone, I am Dr. Surendra Yanorkar, working in Department of Electronics, Sri Shivaji College, Parbhani. In this video, we learn about block diagram of communication system and function of each block. In previous video, we learn about brief introduction of communication. We know that the process of exchanging the information is nothing but communication. Now, communication always takes place from a source to a destination, and in between them there are various elements present. Let's see the element of communication system. Basic element of any communication system are the transmitter, receiver, and between them is a communication channel. Let us see the detailed block diagram of a communication system. It has 5 basic blocks. The different stages of a communication system are information or input signal, input transducer, transmitter, communication channel or medium, noise, receiver, output transducer, and the output. Let's see each block one by one. First is an information or input signal. The message to be transferred acts as an input to a communication system. This signal can be in any form, like a sound signal, picture, speech, data, or video file, etc. Second block is an input transducer. Before transmitting the input signal, it is first converted into an equivalent electrical signal from its original form. The device which converts an input signal in any form, that is sound, picture, data or video, etc., into an suitable electrical signal is called as input transducer. The input transducer commonly used in the communication system are microphones, TV camera, etc. Now, third block is a transmitter. The function of the transmitter block is to convert the electrical equivalent of the information to suitable form for transmission. In addition to that, it increases the power level of the signal in order to cover a large range. The transmitter consists of following electronic circuit, that is amplifier, mixer, oscillator, and power amplifier. The next block is communication channel. It is the medium used for transmission of electronic signal from one place to the other. The communication medium can be conducting wire, cables, optical fibers, and free space. Now, depending on the type of communication medium, two types of communication system will exist. They are wire communication or line communication, and other is wireless communication or radio communication. Let's see what is meant by wire communication or line communication. The wire communication or line communication system use the medium like the simple wire or cables or optical fibers. For example, telegraph, telephone, and cable TV, etc. Wireless communication or radio communication. The wireless or radio communication system are the free space as their communication medium. They do not need the wire for sending the information. For example, the radio or TV broadcasting and satellite communication. Next stage is noise. Now, noise is an unwanted electrical signal which gets added to the transmitted signal when it is traveling towards the receiver. The quality of the transmitted information will degrade due to addition of noise. Once added, the noise cannot be separated out from the information. Hence, noise is a big problem in the communication system. The fifth stage is the receiver. The operation of a receiver is exactly opposite to the transmitter. The received signal is amplified, demodulated, and converted into a suitable form by the receiver block. The receiver consists of the electronic circuit like mixer, oscillator, detector, and amplifier. The next stage is an output transducer. The output transducer converts the electrical signal at the output of the receiver back to the original form, that is sound, picture, data, and video file, etc. The typical example of a output transducer are loudspeaker, picture tube, or LED display, computer monitor, etc. Now see the entire communication system, how to send information from one place, that is called source, to another place, that is called destination. Now see this information in the form of sound, picture, data, and video file is reproduced as it is here, that is called destination. Now in this video we learn about communication system and function of each block. In next video we learn about classification of electronic communication system based on direction of communication, the nature of information signal, and the techniques of signal transmission. Thanks for watching this video.